Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Ford Taurus key fob. It's a simple process that you can do yourself in just a few minutes. First, you'll need a couple of basic tools. A small flathead screwdriver or even a common coin like a quarter will work. Most importantly, have a fresh CR 2032 3-volt coin battery ready for replacement. To begin, find the small release latch or button on your key fob and slide out the internal valet key. Next, look for a small notch or seam along the edge of the fob casing. Carefully insert your flathead screwdriver or coin into this opening. With a gentle twist, the two halves of the fob should begin to separate, revealing the internal components. Once the fob is open, you'll see the old battery. Before removing it, take a quick moment to observe its orientation, noting which side faces up. Then, gently pry out the old CR 2032 coin battery. Now, take your new 3-volt CR 2032 battery and carefully slide it into place, making sure the positive side matches the orientation of the old battery. It should sit snugly. With the new battery installed, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the casing, ensuring they fit together perfectly. Gently press them until you hear a satisfying snap, indicating they are securely closed. Don't forget to slide the valet key back into its compartment. Finally, test your newly refreshed key fob by trying the lock and unlock buttons on your vehicle.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.